today we had a critical lift for installing the vacuum skid. This is phase 2 of a 3-year project here in our distillation area. Today we're working on installing the vacuum skid that Baker Group designed and detailed as part of the overall project. We fabricated all the piping in our Ankeny shop and then assembled it in our OSM facility. We were able to take a lot of those hours that would have otherwise been out here in distillation outside and bring them into a controlled environment in the shop where we could fabricate the pipe and assemble the skid overall. Shipped it to site yesterday and then had a critical lift with the crane to get it installed on site today.